Hello Internet, in this video I will show you improvements I made on my garage shelves that don't suck project from a year ago. And I made these improvements based on your comments. I really like the improvements. Keep watching. Welcome to Scott's Garage. Welcome literally to my garage. Scott's Garage is a place for do-it-yourselfers because that is what I am and that is what I do in my off time to relax. Everything is do-it-yourself. So whether it's working on a daily driver, or a project car, or garage organization, or a pallet wood project, or building a table saw workbench, or resurfacing a concrete deck, all of my do-it-yourself projects begin here in my garage. Welcome to my channel. Hey, before I show you the detail and go back in time a little bit and show you how I made the improvements for these garage shelves, I just want to say that I do read comments. So the original project was about a year ago. You can see the link here above. And I got some constructive criticism and then some harsh criticism. They were all from garage door repair people. And just want to say this, that for those who are respectful, I respect you. For those that were extremely harsh and said, you know, I'll make more money the next time I repair the garage door because the stupid shelves too close to the wall. I just want to say this. Hey, this is my garage, and I want to utilize space that normally isn't used, and this space is normally not used. I've been a homeowner. This is my third home. I've only had 2 times where I've had to pay a garage door person to fix the spring, and that was just a few hours. I mean, over about a 28-year period of time. I'm sorry, but you don't own my garage. And you don't own the space over here. Having said that, some of the criticism I thought was very constructive, and I respect those who pointed that out. So you can see that I now have space between the wall in here, and I'll show you exactly how much space here. But if ever the spring has to be replaced, there is easy access back here to get to the bearings and stuff, and the spring, obviously. And if not, it's really easy to take all these shelves down. So I'm not worried about that. This is a small garage. I'm trying to utilize the space, and that's what this channel is all about. Now let me show you the detail. Okay, here's a time lapse of me taking down the shelves. It took about 20 minutes is all. I decided that in moving the shelves over, I'd also add 2 more threaded rods hanging down from the rafters in the attic. So 2 on each side. And if you want to see how it's done, you can see the original video. Real easy, just a 2x4 above the rafters. And with 2 on each side now, it was a whole lot easier in putting these shelves back in place, both to advance them up, one nut at a time, but also then leveling the shelves. And here I'm putting the nook back together. Okay, I have everything back in place. I basically have 20 inches between the wall now and the edge of the shelves. Everything's looking good. The shelves are level on each end this way. I'm noticing though there is a bow in the center. And so what I'm going to do is I have some more threaded rod. I'm going to add just on the outside another piece of threaded rod all the way up. Before I do that though, I'm going to anchor the inside. I'm going to find the studs and at least put 2 longer screws into the stud. So I will anchor the back part. And once I have that done, make sure it's level before I do that. And then I'm going to add a rod here and simply pull it up a little bit in the center. Okay, here's the finished product for now, improving these garage shelves that don't suck. You can see that I added the center threaded rod just on the front end here, since the back end is already secured to the wall. And it did a beautiful job with the 3 nuts here and just tightening up and pulling it up so it's nice and tight, it's nice and level. Now it caused another problem since these shelves bow down a little bit. Now over here, you can see that there is a gap right here, and it's not quite level. It has to go down for it to be level. I'm hoping that over time it will settle. If not, I know that with threaded rod, you can buy these specialized nuts that are open on one end that you push in, and you can cinch these together. That's probably what I'll end up doing, but for now, that will suffice. Overall, I really like the improvements. So I want to thank those who made comments and pointed out that it was too close to the spring and stuff in the garage door. If you ever had repairs done, it would be in the way and perhaps cost more money. I was told to leave a foot. So what I did is I left more than a foot. It's 17 inches, and I chose 17 inches based on the rafters above, and it just worked out that way. But there's plenty of room here. I could see my weed trimmer and stuff fitting there nicely. And overall, I like the improvements. Now with the nook up here, I can see stuff on both sides where it's not as hidden as much. And again, I can just lower these nuts down, and that board comes out if need be. But overall, I like the look. I'm also going to, based on comments from the shelves over here, same criticism that it's too close to the front of the garage door, if ever the spring had to be replaced, or the pulley up there. And so in time, I will be moving this over as well. And it's also problematic because the nook right there will be in the way of getting boards behind there. My plan is to actually move that to a different location, but it's all in time, and this is all in good fun. I love working in the garage. I love projects, and that's what this channel is all about. Hey, if you got any value from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.